Hello there, Timon here from FL Studio Basics. Sometimes you just can't find the right bass for your project. What if I told you that there was a secret stock plugin in FL Studio hiding from you? This one is called Boo Bass. Let's see what it can do. So when you play notes, you will instantly notice a dark bass sound. Now this plugin only has 3 knobs, but they're very effective. First, the bass knob will obviously increase the bass frequencies. The higher you turn this, the fatter your bass will be. The mid knob will increase or decrease the mid-range tones, which is of course entirely up to you. The treble knob will add more clearance and more crispiness to your bass. And that's all about this plugin. Thank you so much for watching. Just kidding. Now this is a super basic dark bass line. This is perfect to switch between this and an 808, for example. That will keep things interesting. It's also super easy to create slide notes and they sound really good. Just add another note in the piano roll, but 1 octave lower. Then double click the slide note and make sure the slide option is enabled. And that's it. Now the note will slide from the original bass note to the bottom one. You can always tweak this note, make it play a little faster or perhaps a little slower. Okay, let's be real for a second. We spend so much time searching for samples, doing sound design and buying packs, but sometimes you just need something that works. Just open up Panda 3, play a few notes and you'll instantly notice that the sound that comes out of this plugin is polished. Look at the quick loop I created. You have so many options to customize your sounds, and if you want to pick another one, just click the folder icon right here, look at all of these, and you can also create your own presets and sounds. Most of the trap beats I sold last year were actually made with this VST. This plugin has a super modern engine, which means it doesn't need a 200 GB library. Pretty much any computer can run this. This video is not sponsored by them, but if you decide to pick up Lofi Panda, you'd be a big part of supporting this channel. Oh, and right now you can get 50% off. Let's continue with Boo Bass. Now, what else can we do? First thing I want to do is make sure to send it to a mixer track. Then in here, add an equalizer and open it up. Now you can cut away the ultra low frequencies because they don't really matter anyway. Then I usually sweep to find the growly frequencies, and once I found them, I boost them up. This adds more aggression to your bass. Now, as you can hear, this bass has so much more life in it compared to regular bass plugins. Next, I want to show you the blood overdrive effect. You can do something super cool with this plugin. First of all, enable the ×100 option. Don't worry, it won't explode. Before you do anything, decrease the post gain. That way you won't hurt your ears. Then increase the preamp, which is this big button. Do that until you have a distorted sound you're satisfied with. Now it's time to play around with the post gain knob to turn the volume up again. And that's how you add life to your stock bass plugin. Now, another fun thing you can do with the bass is add a P controller to it to give it even more life. Make sure you have both the P controller and the distortion plugin opened up. Now, in the blood overdrive, right-click the preamp and click on Link to Controller. Then in this panel, make sure the button is linked to the LFO of the controller. Then click on Accept. Now in the P controller, go to the LFO. And here, the bass knob does the exact same thing as the preamp knob. Increase it, we're gonna adjust it afterwards anyway. Then increase the vol knob. As you can see, this will make the preamp knob move around. That will create a wobbling effect. You can increase or decrease the speed as well. This makes it sound like a dirt bass. You can also use a P controller to do advanced sidechaining, which make you sound like the pros. Click here to continue the lesson. Thank you so much for watching.